today I'm making a quick beef sauce and rice for my children. We're going to pair it also with some steamed cabbage. Yummy. Friends, so far what I have done is I have taken my lightly frozen beef tenderloin and cut them into cubes this time. Presentation, presentation, presentation. Yeah. To marinate our cubed beef tenderloin, I hit it with just a little bit of salt. Then I went in with lots of crushed black pepper. Big difference it'll make in your stir fries or your beef sauce. Then I went in with my ginger and garlic mince. Very aromatic. Then I brought my umami ingredients to the party. Today I am using some Maggi sauce in place of light soy sauce. So that is a great substitute, by the way. Then of course, I had to bring that dark soy sauce for that rich flavor and color to our beef sauce. And of course, to balance all of that savoriness we have going on, I brought in some honey just to sweeten it a bit. A hint of sweetness only in the background. Then of course, I came in with some oil in the end because we want this to marinate smoothly. Now we want the essence of an onion, so I brought in 1 red onion. Red onion is preferable, but you can use any other. Why is red onion preferable? Because it's sweeter and it's milder. We want the flavors, although rich, to be mild also. Oh, let's not forget, we are serving all of this with some rice, coconut rice, and I have made it fragrant with my green herb and spice mix. Absolutely gorgeous. We're also going to pair it with some steamed cabbage. Friends, this is gonna be yummy, 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 all over the place, yummy. All right, friends, so let's cook. All right, so I have my wok on high heat. A little bit of cooking oil goes in. Make sure my wok is completely coated inside. Our oil is hot, so now we're gonna go in with our marinated beef tenderloin. Now we're going to turn the heat down to medium-low, and we're going to place the lid on. We're making beef sauce, so we need to generate some real beef sauce around the beef tenderloin. The lid is going to help us reach that. This is going to take about 10 minutes on medium-low.
and the vegetarian.
Oh yeah.
What's in this rice? Did you try it?
Does it have a cake?
No, it has like a, sorry, but did you try it? If you did, I'll give you chocolate, like not normal rice.
It has coconut milk and my green blend. I'll put some salt.
You mean the black sauce?
It's really good rice.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.